British Book of World Records, London, UK. I am a world record holder. My name is Dr. Raviprasad Sajjan. I am the managing director of a company called Mastermind Power Secrets Private Limited, Bangalore, Karnataka, India. I am very much excited, super excited to open this pack. Let's open this pack right now. Wow, this is a memento which is given by British Book of World Records, London, UK. This is memento. Very nice. Here you can see world record holder is there. What else is there? Wow, this is a official certificate which is given by British Book of World Records. You can see it has 3D mode in it. Very nice. Here you can see my name. My name is Dr. Raviprasad Sajjan, and here you can see the achievement which is done by me. That is the world record created by me. This is the certificate. Next, wow, nice flyer. This is flyer, they call it as flyer, whereby my photograph is there, my photo is there, and here my achievement is also there. This is my name and my achievement is also there. This is called as flyer. Next is wow, this is a medal. Here you can see the name is there, British World Records. British World Records. The logo is also there, and this is the medal that they have given. This is a gold-plated medal. You can see this is memento and this is certificate, this is flyer, and this is medal. Thank you for watching this. Thank you very much.